Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by FX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headlines.
Apple stock rose 2.3% on Monday, closing at $268.74. The rally reflected renewed investor optimism ahead of the company's quarterly earnings, fueled by expectations of strong iPhone 16 sales and resilient service revenues. The Australian stock market index fell 0.4% to $9,000 on Tuesday, reversing gains from the previous session as investors scaled back expectations of an interest rate cut next week. U.S. natural gas futures fell to around $3.30 on Tuesday, pressured by mild weather forecasts and expectations of lower heating demand. The euro traded above $1.16 on Monday, little changed from last week, as investors awaited major trade talks and central bank decisions across Europe. Ether dropped 1% to around $4,100 on Tuesday, reflecting mild profit-taking and investor caution ahead of upcoming U.S. regulatory updates on digital assets. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 10:30 a.m., India is to release the annual industrial production for September, following 4% in August. At 2 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 94.2 in September. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:45 p.m., Canada will release figures for the interest rate of November, following 2.5% in October. At 6 p.m., the interest rate in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 4.25% in October. And don't forget, this Thursday at 1:45 p.m., the ECB press conference takes center stage. President Christine Lagarde will outline the Governing Council's latest monetary policy decisions, with markets awaiting any shift in tone.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.